Okay, we're back on the next video where we are making this where we're making this horribly but good slime. It's pink, and most of you people, your favorite color is pink. Well, not most of you people. Most of you girls don't use the rest of that. I don't need that stuff that's stuck to there. The puzzle. I might need that for extra. You remember what to do when you're done? Get it out.
It was so easy this time.
How is so easy?
I just asked her, can I put on my cream? She said, what can I put on my cream? She said, yeah. Go ahead. It's in the bathroom. So I said,
Okay.
I said,
It's not really
she
the.
was paying attention on the phone. That's when I looked at the bathroom.
Oh my God, y'all! It
You
actually.
need some lotion in there?
No, it worked. Oh my! I'm just kidding. Holy split! It is not work. We need more toothpaste. We need hands.
Oh, Lord.
We don't need a lot of toothpaste. Don't even think about using our toothpaste. That's my toothpaste. I use that toothpaste, but my family members use it too. Because they don't have no toothpaste. They need to learn how to bang their own toothpaste. Because they make me really mad. Because liquid is so fast. I'm just kidding. I just made bubble gum. How about to make slime? I just made bubble gum. Who wants to try my extra delicious bubble gum? Mmm, do the bubble gum good. Did I know you in that closet? Do the, huh? The closet, right? That has the door almost halfway open with no book bag on it. That's the closet. So I saw your hand go in there. I'm not dumb, Duda. Duda. I know you in that closet.
I know you do. Who's on?
Mine.
So pretty. Can I have it?
No.
Yay.
I said no. Yeah, she heard me. She said be sarcastic. And she be sarcastic anymore. I'm going to stop her watch all the oogly head of hers. Okay? Nobody knows what oogly means. Yes, I will. She said no, I won't. Okay? Sleep with one eye open, dude. Because I'm sleeping at y'all house tonight. I'm sleeping at y'all house tonight. You can't have it.
I know. Is this pretty?
Yes, it's pretty. Why? It's mine. I ain't pretend like that. Okay. Don't ask anybody. If anybody asks what we do,
We had this before, and it was
rinse it out.
fashion.
Go rinse it out. Clean it thing.
You ripped it.
You do it. Do it. Look at my hands. Do it. Okay, it's posted.